as long as you keep their service, you have to pay 40 cents per month. So this one-time fee of $2 is probably to sign up maybe, or to apply. So they charge you $2 for that. So let X denote the number of months that you keep the service, and let Y be the money, right? How much you're going to be paying. Total charge, let's say. So the longer you keep their service, the more money they're gonna make off of you, right? So again, we want to write a linear equation that models the situation, basically, is the whole idea. We want to write a linear equation that models the situation. So again, Y is going to be how much money that you're paying, right? So again, the more longer you keep the service, the more months you keep it for, the more money that you're going to end up paying these people. Okay, so you pay 40 cents per month, right? So that 40 cents, it's a variable cost. So X is the number of months times 40 cents. Has to go out no matter what. So this is kind of like a slope. So a slope is basically like the amount of money per month is what you want to think of it as. It's like a rate of change. And of course you have to pay $2, right, to sign up. That's the fixed cost. So that's the $2 for that. So we say this is a variable cost, and this is the one-time fixed cost. Okay, so Y equals, let me write it better, 0.40x plus 2 would be the equation that models this situation. Okay, so with the model, it helps us to make predictions about things. And that's why we do this in math. It helps us to make predictions about the future. So let's say you want to keep their service for a certain amount of time. So again, I said Y is the total charge, and X is the number of months. So let's say you want to keep the service for 5 months. How much are you going to pay? What's the total charge going to be for that after 5 months? So in other words, your X is going to be 5 months. What's Y going to be? Well, all I have to do is plug in 5 for X to see what that'll be. So 0.40 times 5 plus 2. So what is that? 2 plus 2? So what, $4 after 5 months? Okay, so yeah, we just basically we know X, we want to solve for Y. I could also have you go backwards. I could tell you the monthly bill was this much money. How many months did the person keep the service for instance? So that's another option. Let's see. let's say the total charge for a month is $8. Then how many months was the service kept for? So in this problem here, I gave you the months and I had you find the charge. So here I gave you the charge. So the Y value is 8. I want you to figure out the number of months. How many months? That's your question mark. So you have to solve for X, basically. So we have our equation, 0.40x plus 2 equals Y. You just have to plug in 8 and solve for X. So just algebra, that's a two-step equation. So I'm going to subtract 2 from both sides. So that 2 minus 2 goes away, leaving me with 0.40x on this side. And then 8 minus 2 on the left is 6. So if I divide both sides by 0.4, I'm going to get my answer. So 6 divided by 0.4 is going to come out to exactly 15. So 15 months of service. Then you pay $8. That's the answer. How many months? 15 months. Any questions? So again, I put up support videos for your homework number 18.